Not right now, Stephanie.
Watch out, Gracie. I can't see the baby.
Not right now.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry.
Why not?
Watch out, Grace. I can't see the baby.
I said it nicer than that. I love my girls.
Yeah, it shows. Just wait a few minutes. We'll get you a candy cane.
That's Bobby. Mary. Dad, I think this one says Bobby.
It does.
It's Bobby Bradley, not Bradley.
Are you going to put that on Facebook?
I should.
Oh, Bradley and Bob.
Well, don't put it on the floor. What are you doing?
What in the world?
Stop it. You just laugh. Is that funny? Y'all be filming that. Forget the camera.
Hi, baby.
Daddy, you're in for a world of trouble the way she likes presents.
Oh, it's a little present.
Very twinkly.
I'm gonna unwrap your present. It's a baby. I suppose you don't like all this stuff on you.
I don't know. I think she kind of digs it.
I don't know, she's been pretty comfortable there.
Is this your underwear? Is it your Hot Wheels underwear, Greg?
They're mine, I still wear those. Don't make fun of me.
Oh, Gracie just took away your gumball machine.
She wasn't
Mean Gracie.
using it.
What a mean Grace.